Department of Tourism's North Luzon Travel Expo. So tara, let's explore it.
Celebrate tourism, but to work together to strengthen North Luzon tourism industry and create a better, brighter future for everyone. Come find us here at North Luzon Travel Expo.
Alam nyo, pagdating sa turismo, wala tayong boundaries sa regions, no? Tayo ay pangkalahatan. Ngunit minabuti ng pambansang pamahalaan sa pamamagitan ng kagawaran ng turismo na magkaroon ng sariling circuit o cluster.
This time, we are at the beachfront and we really are promoting tourism in the context of sustainability. That's actually the very heart why we are here in La Union, and we would like to unlock that mystery what makes people get to visit La Union. No?
Visit us so that you can discover and also find out what is unique and what is exciting in the Cordillera so that you can put it in your next bucket list.
I am expecting that all of you will be present next year during the NLTX 2025 in Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Love the Philippines.
Tayo sa Bacnotan, La Union para mag-surfing.
Push up. Ganun. Tayo. Then, ma'am, pwede pilit yung kamay. Ahong ka. Ganun.
Hi! Lakas ng alon. It's giving Moana. Try natin. Hindi naman alam ang tawag. Silang palukan, silang bangus. Ito yung nakalagay sa buko. Sarap naman. Refreshing. Very refreshing siya. Yummers. Yummers.
Ito sa amin, tinatawag
tinatawag po natin yan, La Union Provincianihan. Ang aming pagpapahalaga sa Filipino bayanihan spirit o ang pagkakaisa at pagsasama-sama. Together, we can create a robust network that fosters growth and sustainability in our tourism sector. LOVE, live, own, visit, enjoy, love, La Union.
We share a common vision to elevate our country as the premier tourist destination in the Philippines and beyond. This event, the North Luzon Travel Expo, is a testament to the DOT's commitment to fostering sustainable tourism development across the region. Organized by the DOT in the North, specifically the Cordillera Administrative Region and the regional offices of 1, 2, and 3, this annual event has become a crucial platform for collaboration among travel agencies, tour operators, hotels, resorts, local government units, and tourism-related businesses.